Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how to activate a Visa gift card or how you can use a Visa gift card. So in order to activate your Visa gift card, you need to understand that many Visa gift cards are already activated upon the purchase and ready to use. However, if yours require activation, you will typically see a sticker with instructions and a toll-free number. So you just have to follow the instructions in order to activate your account that you are going to see on the gift card that you have, and you will also be able to see a toll-free number. So you just have to call on that number and you just have to ask them to activate your Visa gift card. Now where you can use your Visa gift card actually, so you can use your Visa gift card anywhere Visa is accepted. It can be supermarket, gas station, or even online. You can also make purchases up to the amount that's on the card. Now, using the Visa card in the stores and online. So in a store, you will just need to slide or insert your Visa card to pay. For an online checkout, you will enter your Visa gift card's 16-digit number, expiration date, and the CVV in the appropriate form field. If you want to make returns with a gift card, then even if there is no balance left, you will want to hold on to your Visa gift card. If you ever need to make a return, you will need to show the card. So these are some of the instructions that you can use in order to activate your card and use it online and offline. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.